If you want to make trading easier and more profitable, you're in the right place. VIP Indicators is a trading buy and sell indicator that analyzes previous market movement to predict the next move. It has a 93% win rate and helped users, including me, earn a total of $728,000 last month. Get the product from the link in the description below to follow along with us. Now, let's jump into what you opened the video for. Once you purchase the VIP indicators, you'll see this page right here, which will show you exactly how you can start. You simply have to click this button here, which will give you access to all the indicators. You'll also see all the different instructions on this page, and you'll be able to follow the simple steps and get instant access. You'll also be able to get access to the course right here and all the other perks of being a VIP member. After your purchase, you'll need to use TradingView. TradingView is a free chart platform where you can use our indicators on. You can sign up 100% free by clicking this button right here. So, to add the indicators, you simply click this button right here. You'll then be directed to this page, and from here, simply enter your email here. After you click that button, you'll be redirected to this page here. You can enter your TradingView username in this tab section here. If you don't have a username, don't worry. I'm going to show you exactly how to get one. So to start with, all you have to do is visit TradingView and go on your profile picture, click, and then you'll see your username right there. Copy and paste it. Then go back to the tab that you were just in and enter your username. Click Set, and then claim indicators, and it's that simple. All you have to do to use them is simply go on TradingView, click Indicators, go on Invite Only, and you'll see a list of the indicators that you purchased. Click whatever indicator you would like to add to your chart, and then you can start using them. If there is an error with your indicators and you can't find any indicators under the Invite Only list, then restart your TradingView app or refresh it and come back to the Invite Only tab, and you should find them within that section. If you want to change the time frame, you can simply choose from a variety over here and select any time frame that you would like to use. Also, you can choose from a variety of trading instruments such as Bitcoin, crypto, stocks, and everything else, all under these tabs here. On TradingView, click on Indicator, then choose Invite Only Scripts. After subscribing to our Cloud-Band Signals indicator, you'll find it in the Invite Only Scripts section. Select the Cloud-Band Signals here. The Cloud-Band Signals indicator identifies powerful reversal opportunities for high profits. It shows where to buy and sell through signal alerts. For example, enter a buy trade based on the indicator signal, place a stop loss here, and set profit targets. The trades consistently hit take profit, making it profitable for beginners. The Cloud-Band Signals works 24/7, providing insights on any device. VIP Market Scanner Indicator. On TradingView, navigate to Indicator and select Invite Only Scripts. Once you subscribe to our VIP Market Scanner Indicator, it will appear in the Invite Only Scripts section. Choose the VIP Market Scanner from there. This indicator highlights market trends, whether they are bullish or bearish. It provides clear signals for buying, selling, entering trades, and setting profit targets. For instance, you can initiate a buy trade based on the indicator's signal, set a stop loss at the recommended level, and define your profit targets. The trades frequently reach the profit targets very well. On TradingView, select Indicator, then opt for Invite Only Scripts. After subscribing to our Support and Resistance Matrix indicator, located in the Invite Only Scripts section, choose the Support and Resistance Matrix here. This indicator pinpoints the strongest support and resistance levels for high-profit trades. For instance, Initiate a buy trade at the support level, place a stop loss below it, and set profit targets at the next resistance level. The trades consistently reach take profit, making it easy for beginners with a 93% average profit. The support and resistance matrix indicator operates 24/7, offering insights on any device. Here's how to set up alerts for VIP indicators. For example, let's use cloud band signals. First, click the Settings tab. Scroll down and check the boxes for Enable Buy Alerts and Enable Sell Alerts. After that, click OK. Next, click the Alert button. Under the Condition tab, select the indicator, which in this case is cloud band signals. You can then create either a buy or sell alert. Choose once per bar, so you'll get a new alert every time one is found. You can also write your own message and click Create. If you want the alert to show up in a specific time frame, make sure you are on that time frame when you create the alert. First, go to TradingView and click on Indicator. Then, choose Invite Only Scripts. Once you subscribe to our market prediction indicator, you'll find it in the Invite Only Scripts section. Select the market prediction indicator, and that's it. The market prediction indicator shows exactly where to buy and sell with signal alerts. For example, enter a buy trade based on the indicator signal, place your stop loss here, and set your profit targets. The trades consistently hit the take profit. This indicator finds the best trades automatically, so you don't have to do much. It works 24/7 and provides insights on any device. Start by going to TradingView and clicking on Indicator. Then select Invite Only Scripts. After subscribing to our Trend Navigator and VIP Oscillator, you'll find them in the Invite Only Scripts section. Choose the Trend Navigator first, then add the VIP Oscillator. These tools will show you exactly where to buy and sell with signal alerts. For example, you can enter a sell trade based on the indicator's signal, set your stop loss here, and define your profit targets. The Trend Navigator and VIP Oscillator operate around the clock, providing insights on any device. Those were the main indicators. If you would like to see demos on other indicators, visit our website linked in the description below.